question which arises in our mind whenever we think about this bizarre world. Limit is not the only answer in this world because हमारा mind unlimited है and we can think many things and we can create many things. So today, I Rudraksh Rawat of class 11th A would like to convey my message and talk about the National Science Day. So firstly, I would like to talk about how the world of science is very different from what we imagine. हम सोचते हैं कि when we get the answer, it is limited and यही है, but it can have infinite possibilities और ये हमेशा से एग्जिस्ट करती थी. बट हमारा माइंड आज के ज़माने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा लिमिटेड हो चुका है क्योंकि जो हमें परोसा जाता है, जो हमें दिखाया जाता है, वी बिलीव इट एंड वी डोंट यूज़ अवर माइंड. ये तो बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है कि आप किसी ना किसी को ज़रूर सुनते होंगे एंड किसी ना किसी को ज़रूर आइडलाइज करते होंगे एंड इसमें कुछ गलत भी नहीं है, पर खुद का दिमाग इस्तेमाल ना करना इज़ द वर्स्ट थिंग वी कैन डू. सो फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट C.V. Raman, the great Indian physicist who was born on November 9, 1888 and इन्हीं के लिए हम नेशनल साइंस डे मनाते हैं. सो व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट नेशनल साइंस डे? So on 28th of February 1928, C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect, which tells that whenever a light transfer from transparent substance, it changes its wavelength. And इतने simple से statement की वजह से we were able to discover many things, and it helped a lot in spectroscopy. So for this invention, for this discovery, C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize in 1930. So I would like to talk about the scientific mind of a person. Today in this world, we are having many things and many ideas and many innovations. And from the past 100 years, the world has changed a lot. But the thing that hasn't changed even a bit is the mind of a person. क्योंकि हर इंसान कुछ ना कुछ नया सोच सकता है, सब पे कुछ ना कुछ नई क्षमता होती है, लेकिन हम इससे इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि हमारा माइंड अभी डॉटेड हो चुका है, ब्रेन डॉट हो चुका है हमें. सो ड्यू टू विच वी आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक क्लियरली. सो अगर हम पास्ट की चीज़ें देखें तो पास्ट में काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनोवेशन हो चुके हैं, but still we are not near what we can achieve, and what we can achieve is still limitless. So I would like to tell you that we have to use our mind, we have to innovate ourselves, and we have to ask the question of why in every question we get. अगर आपको कोई आंसर मिलता है तो ask the why. Even though you feel satisfied with the answer, never stop asking, because ऐसा हो सकता है कि that is not the answer, and ये काफ़ी केसेस में हो चुका है. As we know about the structure of atom chapter and the famous models of very famous scientists, firstly, people believe that the models are absolute and there are no error in the models. But as new models come, the old models get rejected and have many flaws in it. तो इससे हमें यह पता चलता है कि nothing is absolute in this world, and our mind is the only thing which can grow and find the errors in the things and try to find new things in our life and the world around us. And the universe is also limited. तो क्यों सोचना है इतना लिमिट में सोचने का क्या ही मतलब बनता है अगर यूनिवर्स ही लिमिटेड है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट कि अगर आपको कुछ इनोवेट करना है, कुछ नया जानना है, कुछ नया इन्वेंट करना है, and even you want to be like someone like C.V. Raman, then you have to just change your mindset and have that mindset of asking the why and learning things, adapting things, and never feeling satisfied with the answer you get. Thank you and have a nice day.